Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair HolyHigh earbuds with your MacBook. So to do this you have to open this charging case and remove both earbuds. Right now you have to take a look for these indicators, and the left earbud is blinking blue and red, so it means that they are in the pairing mode. We have to put them close to our MacBook, for example right here. Then simply go to the settings on your MacBook. We have to go for the Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth by tapping on this switcher. And right now we have to select our earphones. In my case the name is changed to the headset, so click once. And that's the ET2 name. The last option, I can recommend you to go for the sound settings and take a look for the output and the input. Be sure that ET2 are selected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.